As you know that I've been sharing my monthly earnings. I do it regularly so that people who are following me, they come to know that how I am performing. So we had already discussed the earning of January month. So February month was left, and this is my account. You all know my name is Suman Singh Rawat, and this okay, we go to console. The month was very kind of a roller coaster month. Sometimes the market was down, sometimes it was up, and it was moving all over the places. Mostly it was down. So yes, it was a great learning, future and options. So I will select March 1 to March 15. Okay. No, sorry. So we are discussing February month. See, as I always say that if you are following me, it is my responsibility that I should always be in profit, and I should be sharing my profit with you, whatever it is, profit or loss. Sometimes I'm not saying that 100%. It's all the time I'll be in profit. Maybe that in one of the few odd months I may be in loss, but ultimately I should be in profit, being a professional in this field. So okay, this is the February month profit. Net profit is 55,000. And some of the people also ask what is the investment. So we go to funds dashboard. This is the fund out of which 6-7 lakhs I always invested. So we are only left with 2 to 3 lakh rupees only. So we trade with only 2-3 lakh rupees, because you see fund is around 8,58,000, out of which 473,000 worth of rupees I have bought Nifty Bs, then some are mutual funds, some of the money is in equity holding. In my portfolio holding, you can see holdings. So Reliance, Tata Motors, so these are the holdings. We also see in equity, if we have some losses or profit, February 1 to February 28. Okay, very nominal amount 3,000 rupees or 55,000 rupees. 55 plus 3, so it is 58,000 rupees. And if you have to calculate the return on investment, let's do it. Let's do it. 8 8,58,000 minus 1,62,298 minus mutual fund 30,325.51 minus 473,710, 1,91,000. Okay, so let's take it 192. So 58,000 divided by 1,92,000. This comes around 100, 30% return. That's a good return. 30% return is a good return. Okay, and now let's talk about let's see what is the return in the month of March till date. March 15, 1 to 5. Okay, this is first priority is F&O. So it is 52,000. 52,000 March 1 to 15. It is only 15 days of March, and equity is around 8500 plus 52, around 60,000 return in 15 days. That's good. That's a very good return. So, and what we do basically, we do straddle, strangle, and some of the times I buy stocks if they are available at a good price. So guys, I also share my trades, I also share my profit and losses. See, I have seen many of the channels, they do not share their trades. Always share my trades, my open positions, what I am doing. So if you want to copy them, you can copy them, but as I always say, that the basic requirement is that you should have good margin, because some of the times you require more margin to adjust your positions. So basically I am an option writer, and you can see still my open position. I have no issues in showing you the open positions. This is my open position. That's all. Stay connected. Thank you very much for watching.